what you're going to see here today is the MV Agusta stand, but up close, Motorcycle Live 2024. So this is the MV Agusta Super Veloce 1000. So think of this as MV Agusta Superbike. It is very interesting to look at. Panels are very angly, very different. And funny enough, it's an inline 4. So it's not a V-twin or a V4 or anything like that. Just inline 4. Look at that, that's impressive. The carbon on that. See, very different. Bell section, very different. I like gold rear wheel. But here's the problem. Don't look at the price. So, £61,400.
What the f***?
And when you weigh that up against, say, a BMW S1000 RR Superbike, a ZX-10R Superbike, a Ducati Panigale V4 Superbike, that's very difficult to swallow that. That's just for the ultra wealthy and the ultra rich. Oh my god. MV Agusta, scary pricing, very scary. Oh god, oh god. Thanks for watching.
Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a